Hi, my name is Satish Alvati, working as assistant professor in mechanical department. Today topic is pulverized coal firing and mills. Pulverized coal fired boilers. The pulverized coal fired boilers is an industrial or utility boilers that generates the thermal energy by burning of pulverized coal. Pulverized coal means it is like a form as powdered coal. In that coal, we are removing the moisture with the help of hot air, that is called as pulverization process. The basic idea is the fuel uses the whole volume of the furnace for the combustion of solid fuels. Coal is ground to the size of a fine grain mixed with air and bound in the flue gas flow. Biomass and other materials can also added to the mixture in this coal. And we have different technologies used in pulverized coal power plants. These are different categories. One is subcritical pulverized coal plants, supercritical pulverized coal plants, and ultra supercritical pulverized coal plants. These power plants mainly divided into depend upon temperature and pressure. Subcritical plants operates below the critical point of water, that is 647 kelvins, and the pressure is 22 megapascal. And what are the requirements of pulverized fuel firing? We have two requirements majorly. One is the presence of large quantities of fine particles of coal usually would possess enough the 200 mesh to ensure spontaneous ignition because of their large surface of to volume ratio. And second one is presence of minimum quantity of coarser particles to ensure high combustion efficiency. This is the elements of pulverized coal system. The coal from the bunker with the help of fader we fed into the furnace and we supply the hot air. With the help of hot air we remove the moisture from that coal. This is a pulverized coal power plant. And advantage of pulverized coal power plant, mainly advantage is high boiler efficiency due to complete combustion, fan power required is low, free from clinker problems, volume of the furnace required is less, no major problems in ash handling. Disadvantage is more space is required due to very high temperature. Maintenance of furnace walls is difficult. Special equipment is required to start the system, and extra power is needed for pulverizing coal. These are the main disadvantages of pulverized coal power plant. In pulverized coal power plant, how you preparation and prepare the pulverized coal with the help of mills, and what are the different types of mills we are discussed in this topic. We have four different types of mills for pulverizing the coal. One is ball mill, second one is ball and race mill, and next one is hammer mill, and last one is bowl mill. Now I would like to explain what are the different types of mills used in pulverizing coal power plant. Bowl mill is the process. It for pulverizers consists of stationary rollers and power driven bowl in which pulverization takes place as the coal passes between the sides of the bowl and the rollers. And hammer mill is known as a impact mill as pulverization takes place due to impact. The coal in pulverizer remains in suspension during the entire pulverization process. This is the diagram of ball and race mill for pulverizing coal. In ball and race mill pulverizing coal is also known as contact mill, and which consists of two elements which have a rolling action with respect to each other. The coal passes between the rotating elements again and again until it has been pulverized to the desired degree of fineness. The coal is crushed between two moving surfaces, that is balls and races. The upper portion is stationary, lower portion is rotating part. The coal is applied through the rotating table, and it is a low speed unit in which grinding pressure is maintained by adjustable springs. The coal is passes between the two rotating elements, that is upper element and lower element. And next one is ball mill. Ball mill capable of pulverizing is 10 tons of coal per hour containing 4% of moisture, requires 28 tons of steel balls and consumes 20 to 25 kilowatts per hour energy per ton of coal. The output of the mill is controlled by the dampers located in the exhaust fan inlet duct. These dampers vary the flow of air through the mill and thereby control the rate of fuel removed from the mill. And it consists of coal feeder, pulverizer, classifier and exhausters. So these are the different types of mills used in the pulverization plant. Thank you.